guys, welcome back to my channel. I told you I'm back. So today we're going to be swatching some lips because that's what I do best. We are going to be trying some Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink and I'm so excited. You know, I love the Superstay matte ink and I'm excited to put all 10 of these shades on my lips. This is a budge proof and transfer resistant formula. It has 16-hour wear and instead of being fully matte, it gives your lips like a little bit of a shine. Here we go. Lightest to darkest. Let's put them on my lips. I got nothing on my lips but a nice tinted lip balm and they're ready to go. First up is number 10, Lippy. Well, they are very juicy. They smell nice. The color is definitely high impact. I would describe this as like a burnt raspberry. That's how I'm going to describe it. I love when like brands don't have like shade descriptions because then I can just make up whatever I feel like it is. And this is a burnt raspberry. This is kind of like that color that if you don't want to wear like a bright red lipstick, this is kind of like something in between like a lip tone and a red that just makes it like easier to like breach into red, you know? Let's remove this. This next one is number 15 and it's called Peachy and I'm actually so excited to try this one. I just feel like this looks like just like a very Bailey color, like a Bailey nude color, you know? I mean, isn't that pretty? I feel pretty. This is such a nice like nude, especially because I'm so fair. Like this is a nude that sometimes when I put a nude on it, it's too yellow tone. I feel like I can see all of the orange in my skin, like especially like my knuckles on my hands. But because this does have like a tinge of blue in it, it's still like it makes my teeth look like whitish without looking so yellow. Anyway, I live, laugh, love this color. So that is 15 Peachy. I do feel really good on the lips. It's not heavy, kind of feels like nothing's there. This one's still drying a bit, but it's just like, it's just comfy. Like it doesn't feel like it's not like sticking. She's nice. And what do we do now? We remove it. Another shade I'm dying to try is shade number 20, Coy. C-O-Y, Coy. Okay. Wow, that's a little bit more like purpley than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's literally like the color in the tube. But I don't know why I thought it was going to be like less purpley. I don't know. Gorgeous color. I love this. This is stunning. This is like a beautiful like Easter color, you know? If you're wondering, I'm using the Garnier Micellar and I just have a Walmart wipe. And I always just like to make it really wet while I remove it just so I'm not pulling so much on these precious dainty little lips. Next up is number 35, Cheeky. Okay, this is my favorite one. This is like a mauve nude. This is it. This is the one for me. Just I don't have to say anything. Just take it in. Oh, I love you. 35 Cheeky. Yum. Oh, I wish I had like a mauve under my eye instead of this like warm brown. Oh, that'd be it for me. And one of the nicest things about swatching these lipsticks is because they're not like heavy and matte and they dry down. It's not that they're easy to remove because they are so long lasting and it's just like such pigmented vinyl that's going on your lips. But it's easy to remove and like wipe off because it's not like this dried down like powdered matte lipstick. I love it. Next we have number 40, which is called Witty, which is what I am. I'm very witty. Well, anywho. Well, this is stunning. A beautiful, like deep mauve. I still don't know if it's mauve or mauve. Like every time someone corrects me, it's like something I just can never remember. It's like I always screw up the words eaten and ate. I can never get it right. I can get yours, theirs, out, like all of those right, but I can't do mauve. I can't spell the word necessary. Anyway, this is about lipstick, not about my incompetency with grammar. Number 40, Witty. What do we think? Do we love? I love. Like, I think I'll always, like, as much as, like, I love a nude, I think I'll always like a darker lip on me. I'm like, I don't know. I just feel like it makes my blue eyes stand out more. I don't know. I'm just white as shit over here. I'm just trying to figure it out. Anyway, that's 40 Witty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know, and I do, these look like they have 16-hour wear. Like this is, yeah. Yeah. Now we're going to go into some of the deeper reddish and pinky tones. So this one is number 25, Red Hot. And this looks feisty. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention, I've been shaking these all before. You're supposed to shake them. Don't forget to shake your products. Otherwise, they're just sitting and separating. She is red hot. Okay. All right. Holy crap. This is such a pretty color. Like that is fiery hot. It's like this orange tone red, but it still like makes my teeth look so like white because it has a blue tone in it. This is such an interesting pretty color. I need it to be summer so I can pull this baby bad boy out. I try to say the same word. Stunning. Should be fun removing the red. Okay, it does stain a bit, but I mean, it's so pigmented, like it's going to. Next on the docket, we have number 30, Unrivaled. Yes, Unrivaled. I'm excited to put this one on. Like this, it looks like it's such a pretty color. I have to shake it. Okay. Oh my good God, that is just what I needed. This is, I mean, bask in it again, people. This is so pretty. I can't believe that all of these lipsticks, they like make my teeth look so white. I haven't whitened them in like a year or so. Like I haven't whitened my teeth in a long time. That is stunning. I love this. This lipstick just makes me want to kiss my cats. Like I just want to stamp my lips on baby, but I won't because then she had to lick it off and eat it, and that's mean, and I don't want to do that. But it makes me just want to like color her fur with lipstick. Here we have 45 Capricious. Am I saying that word correctly? I hope so. I really hope so. Now, you know I'm not the biggest fan of hot pinks, but I'm gonna give it a go. I mean, she's pigmented, she's bold. Here she is. She's very capricious. It's a great hot pink. It's very punchy. I just find, me personally, that I just don't like hot pinks because with my features I feel like it's just too harsh for me. Like I have so much happening that it's just a me thing, but like it's a beautiful color and I love that for somebody. It is a really nice color actually, which is not for me. 45 Capricious. Oh yeah, they're long wear. Trust me. Ooh. All right, here we have shade 50 Wicked, and this looks like your beautiful blue tone red, and I am so excited for this one. That sounds like a oh, I mean, honest to God, there are no words. Let's just listen. Let's have a moment of silence for 20 seconds because there's nothing more I need to say about this lip color. I mean, but I will. Like, this is stunning. Like, I will talk about it. It's beautiful. Look how white my teeth look. Like, the fact that this is not matte and I can wear something that looks like has a little bit of sheen without getting these disgusting corners of my mouth. Like, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, the matte ones, they don't get gross in my corner. Like, I am a die-hard fan of those. And, like, the fact that I can have this in, like, a little bit of a gloss now, I mean, honestly, I'm obsessed. I don't want to take it off. Can I just keep this one on? No, because I have one more to try. The last shade we have, oh, I love this like shaking sound. Me. Oh, that's so hot to me. Okay, this is number 55, Royal. So excited. I mean, I have no words. This is such a beautiful like red wine color. Maybelline, y'all knocked it out of the park. Like, who doesn't love this? Like, I have no complaints about this. Like, this, honestly, I think with this look, this might be my favorite one. And I'm glad that it's the last one, because now I'm going to wear it for the whole day, because it's not going to come off for 16 hours. I assure you. I love this lip color. Anyway, okay, so I finished all 10 of the Superstay vinyl ink. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with the formula. I'm obsessed with the colors. I used to always pick my favorite, so these two are my favorites, 35 Cheeky and 55 Royal. Although I do really love, no, these two. I really love these two the most. But I love them all because I love the formula. Anyway, thanks so much for staying tuned while I swatches all of my lips. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.